lives smaller, and may everything that you have said and done here today become a living truth in your lives. You are now, as your hearts have always known you to be, husband and wife. You may now kiss your beautiful bride.
Congratulations! One more kiss!
I think we could get a better kiss than that.
Yay! There we go!
Loved you since the very first day.
How about one more with your flowers? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Look at some new shells floating.
Ready? Try. There it is. You got it. Do it again.
Sometimes you can't shoot that angle.
Don't spit.
Make sure your lips feel good. Hey, make sure
Don't spit. Do it like this. It's not blowing. You got it. You did it. And your face is blue. Are you yelling in there? Do you know something really cool? If you hold the shell up to your ear, you'll hear the ocean. And if you take it away,
you don't.
No, you're at the ocean, so you'll hear it too. All right.
Whoa!
It's amazing. What a concept.